Meaning of dictum.
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 Dictum. Dictum refers to a short statement that expresses a general truth or principle. It is often used in a legal context to refer to a judge's statement or decision on a legal point. A dictum is not binding as a precedent, but may still be influential in future cases. In broader usage, dictum can refer to any authoritative declaration or statement, whether made by a person in authority or simply considered to be wise or true. Overall, a dictum is a concise and authoritative expression of a thought or principle.